Hello, my name is Juthama Chanpuchong, and today I'm going to interviewing you about yourself and your country. And can I ask a few questions?
Yeah, you can. Yes, yes.
It will take about 10 to 15 minutes, and may I record a short video of this interview?
Yes, it's all right.
Okay. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, I am Ched and I am from the Philippines.
You're from Philippines, right? And what is your national food in your country in Philippines?
Oh, we have quite a lot, but the most famous food or the national food that we consider here in the Philippines, it would be the lechon or the roasted pig.
Wow, that's interesting. And what is your traditional dress?
It could, we do not, I guess we don't have any traditional drink, but specifically here in our local area, we do have this lambanog. It's like a vinegar wine.
Oh,
Yeah.
and what is your traditional dress like clothing?
Okay. We have an interesting national clothing here in the Philippines. So we do have the Barong Tagalog and we also have the Filipiniana. So the Barong Tagalog is for the boys and the Filipiniana, it's for the girls.
Yeah. Do you have wear it? Have you ever worn it?
Yes, we wear it every Monday in our work because it is prescribed here in our government.
Wow. It's like our batik that we have to wear in school.
Yeah, yeah, it's like our uniform.
Yes. And what is your famous movie right now in your country?
All right, famous movie. Um, right now I cannot recall what movies the Filipinos are basically watching, but I have this favorite movie wherein we used to watch it when we were kids. It is the name of the movie is Darna. So it is like a superhero, a girl superhero.
Yes. And what about a famous song from your country?
Famous song in our country. There are quite a lot, especially the Tagalog songs, but I can recall when we visited Suratani.
Yes.
One of the restaurant there played a Filipino song. Ako'y sayo, ikaw ay akin.
Ah,
We hear that in
I have heard of it because it's very famous on TikTok, right?
yes, yes.
It's such a beautiful song, by the way. I love it.
It's a love song.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye.